Very good morning one and all. Today in this class we discuss about the one of the topic in second BSc belonging to the chapter aldehydes and ketones. In that reduction of hydrocarbons. Reduction of the hydrocarbons are nothing but the carbonyl group of aldehydes and ketones may be reduced to ethylene group yield hydrocarbons. There are two types of the reduction reaction. First one is Clemsen's reduction, second one is the Wolff-Christensen's reduction. In this class we discuss about the Clemsen's reduction and its mechanism. Clemsen's reduction is nothing but aldehydes and ketones reaction with the amalgamated zinc or zinc amalgam and the HCl as a reducing agent to 2-methylene group, or aldehydes or ketones undergoes the reduction. Aldehydes or ketones. Aldehydes are undergoes the reduction reaction in the presence of the zinc amalgam and HCl, or it is also called as the amalgamated zinc to yield hydrocarbons. Both in case of the aldehydes and the ketones we get the hydrocarbons. Let us consider the mechanism for the ketones. Mechanism for ketones, that is the Clemsen's reduction mechanism. First step is the formation of the carbanion and protonation. First step is the formation of the carbanion. Formation of the carbanion is nothing but the carbon which carries a negatively charged are called as the carbanion. In the first step, when the ketones are reacting with the proton, this proton is obtained from the HCl. When the ketone is reaction with the proton, that is the oxygen atom is attacks the hydrogen atom. Oxygen, which is consisting of a pair of the electron, and it is also highly electronegative in nature, which attacks the hydrogen atom. There is a formation of the intermediate component. This intermediate component is stabilized through the resonance. Hence it is called as the resonantly stabilized cations. In many mechanisms the reaction is stabilized through the resonance. So these resonance structures are nothing but the structures having the same number of the protons and same number of the atoms, but structure is different. That's it. And the next one is and then reaction with the zinc amalgam or the amalgamated zinc, which donates the 2 electrons to the reaction condition to form a carbanion. So this carbanion, and then carbanion is nothing but the carbon which carries a negatively charged. This carbanion is reaction with the proton. This proton is obtained from the HCl in the reaction condition to form a intermediate compound alcohol. So this is the first step of the reaction. First step of the reaction is nothing but when the ketones are undergo the protonation to form a intermediate compound. This intermediate compound is stabilized through the resonance, and then it is reaction with the zinc amalgam. This zinc amalgam, in that zinc which donates the 2 electron to the reaction condition, there is a formation of the carbanion. This carbanion is reaction with the proton to form a intermediate compound alcohol. This is the first step, formation of the carbanion and the protonation. Second step is elimination of the water. Elimination of the water from the reaction condition. That is, the intermediate compound is reaction with the or protonated with protonation. There is a formation of the water molecule in the reaction condition. That is, the oxygen which is highly electronegative in nature which attract the hydrogen atom. There is a formation of the water molecule and the oxygen carries a positively charged. This water molecule is attacked to the carbon atom, and this oxygen is water is elimination from the reaction condition. There is a formation of the carbocation. This carbocation is reaction with the zinc amalgam or the amalgamated zinc. There is a formation of the carbanion intermediate. So last step is the addition of proton. This carbanion reaction with the proton, there is a formation of the hydrocarbons. This is the mechanism of the Clemsen's reduction. Clemsen's reduction is nothing but the aldehydes or ketones undergo the reduction in the presence of the amalgamated zinc or zinc amalgam to form a hydrocarbons with the elimination of the water. So there is a 3 steps. First step is the formation of the carbanion and the protonation. Second one is the elimination of the water. Third one is the addition of the proton. In the first step, there is a formation of the carbanion reaction with the H plus ion and amalgamated zinc, formation of the carbanion. Second one is elimination of the water from the reaction condition. Third one is addition of the proton to the molecule. So this is the Crimson's reduction. Thank you.